Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is FADZILLAH binti RUSLI and I will be presenting my paper entitled Students' Acceptance Towards the Use of Chatbot in Diagnostic Imaging. Although the quantity of resources available to students has expanded dramatically, the use of chatbot in diagnostic imaging course remains limited. The objective of this study to develop an artificial intelligence chatbot called DBot that can assist students by answering queries about diagnostic imaging studies. DBot was implemented on the Snatchbot platform and later deployed on a Telegram channel and Facebook Messenger. Students' interaction, perceived ease of use, and perceived usefulness were used to measure the effectiveness of DBot. Result shows DBot is helpful in assisting students to review diagnostic imaging subjects, including general X-ray, CT scan, and MRI. Students perceive that using this chatbot for their learning process is easy to use. There are 3 phases for methodology, and the study was approved by the medical research and ethics communities of Universiti Kebangsaan, Malaysia. For methodology, for phase 1, we developed the chatbot and named the chatbot as DBot. DBot has been validated by 2 diagnostic imaging lecturers, and the validation was made through a questionnaire form that consists of 12 questions and were divided into 3 parts, which are content of knowledge, organization of content, and application of content. For phase 2, we did a survey of students' perspective on the DBot. The survey was made through answering 50 questions on a questionnaire and were divided into 3 parts, which are students' interaction, perceived ease of use, and also perceived usefulness of the DBot. For phase 3, we conduct a pre-test and post-test. Same set of questions were given for both tests, and the subjects are divided into 2 groups, Group A and also Group B. Group A are asked to use the DBot, and Group B are not allowed to use the DBot at all. For the result, the validators agreed that chatbot can be applied as a material for learning online. From this result, we can conclude that the content of our chatbot has relevant and relatable information that can help and ease the diagnostic imaging students in their study. For phase 2, the respondent give the highest value to the chatbot if is effective when used as a digital learning tool to provide personalized learning support, while the lowest is for the chatbot provide while the lowest score is for the chatbot provide diagnostic imaging information in a fun, interesting, and innovative way. Based on the finding, we can conclude that the DBot is effective in helping the students in their diagnostic imaging studies. And for phase 3, the table illustrated for post-test result for Group A, which is higher than Group B. The p-value for both groups are significant, and based on the finding, it can be concluded that the chatbot positively impact the students' knowledge. As for the conclusion, we developed a chatbot named DBot to help diagnostic imaging students in this research. The findings explain that this DBot can be used as online teaching and learning material. That's all from me. Thank you.